Mom always used to say, never order anything when you know you can make something better at home. But the calamari I ordered the other night, it was good. And I love calamari, but I still knew that I wanted to bring it home and make it my own. So that's what we're doing today, calamari. The calamari, already cleaned and patted dry. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with some buttermilk. And we're just gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. Okay? Then we're gonna set aside. Then we're gonna make our batter. Simple, simple batter. Flour. Some cornstarch. I don't always use cornstarch, but in this recipe, I am. I'm gonna hit it with some paprika. Some salt and pepper. And we're gonna give this a swirl. Okay, so since our calamari is in the buttermilk, we're gonna go and we're gonna make our sauce. So, let's go. I'm gonna put the heat on a medium high. And I have my oil on, and we need the oil to be at 350. So, we're gonna make our sauce. Olive oil. And we're just gonna have this heat up just a bit. And this is my infusion with the garlic. Some hot pepper. Okay, and I pureed some mango, a champagne mango. We're going to make this sweet, and we're going to give it a little heat. Give this a swirl. I'm going to hit it with some hot honey. Some hot chili sauce. A squeeze of lemon. Our oil has reached 350, so it's time to start. So, we're going to get our calamari. We just want it to drip just a little bit. And give it a swirl. Shake off any extra batter. All right, I'm gonna just toss it in. Oh my gosh. And the sauce is done. Bring over our calamari. Oh, what a mess. Gonna hit it with some Himalayan sea salt. Get a bucket. taste one. And that's without the salt. All right. I'll pile it in. Some of the salt. Just gonna have it drizzle right over it. Look at the glisten. Get a little bit more. I have to eat another one. Just a little bit more sauce. Just a drizzle. We just want a little bit of sauce. A little paprika. And onion. Now I know for a fact, sometimes when you go to the restaurants now, you get more fried peppers in with the squid. I didn't do the fried peppers. When I order calamari, I want calamari. But did I make it better? Wow. All right, in the sauce, fully engulfed in the sauce. Yep. Wow. Now, the restaurant was good. Mine, it's good. I call it a tie. I do call it a tie. The one at the restaurant was really good. And this, you can definitely tell this is freshly made, homemade, and at home. So, yeah. Well, sorry, but this is good. I think this is better than Christmas Eve. Yeah, definitely a tie. So, give me a like, subscribe, and share. For the love of Ma, for better at home. Thanks, Ma. Oh, all this mess. Oh. But, totally worth it.